Hello and welcome to this section where we will explore the role of technology in healthcare. As technology increasingly becomes a central part of healthcare, it is essential to understand its key components and how to use it responsibly and effectively. We will start by examining two fundamental concepts in healthcare technology: validity and reliability. These terms are essential when assessing whether healthcare tools and technologies provide accurate and consistent results. Understanding these concepts will help you to evaluate and implement technology in clinical practice. Next, we will discuss the ethical use of technology in health science. As digital healthcare grows, so does the volume of data we collect. It's crucial to understand how this data should be ethically managed. Following that, we will focus on security and privacy. With increasing use of technology, safeguarding patient information is more important than ever. We will explore how healthcare professionals can ensure that data remains safe. Finally, we will cover technology in healthcare more broadly.